Hi, you're here sewing with Cody and Pete, and we're on the Bernina L850, and we are going to show you how to clean this overlocker. So with the L850 and L890, they're going to be cleaned the same way, and Bernina recommends using a little micro vacuum cleaner kit. So this attaches to your home vacuum or like wet dry vac. Just attaches to the hose. Its claim is that it can work on any vacuum. I beg to differ. So some of them don't work quite as easy as others because it depends on what type of like hose attachment you have for your vacuum. So there are a couple different pieces in here that can help you fit it to your vacuum, but every vacuum is so different. So we have a Dyson, and I'm going to show you how I have to connect it. It's not the most ideal, but it does work. So we're going to go over cleaning the L850 and L890. So one thing to always remember is when you're cleaning any of your sewing machines or your sergers or whatever you've got, don't ever use canned air. Just stay away from it because it ends up pushing lint and stuff where it shouldn't be, and it can add added moisture, which is a no-no. So let's jump into it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your doors on either your L850 or L890, and you'll see a lot of lint. I've been using this machine a lot because it's amazing, but there's a lot of lint in there, and it's too hard to get in there and clean it out. So that's where the micro vacuum cleaner attachment kit's going to come in handy. So we're going to open up our kit, and so it comes with this little doodad, which you'll need. So some vacuum cleaner, this can attach directly to it, but some are going to need this little converter, like this little guy. Makes it a little narrower, so you can attach this guy to here. And I have a Dyson, so there's a long plastic tube for the Dyson here, and it'll come off to reveal just the hose. But I've found it doesn't connect directly to the hose any easier than just this plastic piece here. So I found that I can just stick this on here like this, and I can hold this while it's still all attached to the vacuum, and it's not going to come off. It's easier for me to keep it all on this unit than to try and have the hose and maneuver the hose and everything at the same time. So the vacuum cleaner stands up nicely. So I'm going to have that in there, and then it comes with a hose. So we'll attach this hose onto here, just like that. And so one thing to make sure is that there's a little slider piece here. It'll tell you if it's a full-size vacuum, turn it this way. If it's a handheld, turn it this way. So we're going to turn it to the full size, so the suction just won't be too hard and it won't burn up your motor on your vacuum. So here what we're going to do, it has little extenders, so we can pop these little guys on it to give us a little extra leverage and to be able to get in there. And like this one, we're going to start with this little guy with the little brush, and this just go right on here. So let's get started. All we're going to do is just going to go into the machine and clean it all out. So once you have all that cleaned out, what we're going to do is we're going to raise our foot up and take our foot off, because we want to take this stitch plate off and make sure we get all the lint that's in there. So you'll need this little torque screwdriver. Many of y'all are familiar with this if you have like a Bernina 7 series or an 8 series, because this is what we use to remove the needles. So we want to take these two screws off and take off our stitch plate. And let's see how dirty it is under there. I'll wiggle that guy off. So it's actually not too bad, but there's still some spaces here that we can now get again with the vacuum. So with that, we can also take off our slide-on table, and there's a little door right here that can just slide right off. So if it was really dirty, we can really get in here. But I haven't had it that long, even though I've sewn on it quite a bit, so it's not that dirty. So there's really no need looking in there to really get any, to really take that off to really get any deeper. But we can work with some of the smaller attachments and get deeper into the machine if you see fit, because sometimes lint and dirt gets really back there. Other than that, the only other suggestion I could make is to unthread the machine before you start cleaning, because sometimes the threads can get in your way. But other than that, that's all you really have to do to clean out the Bernina 8 series using the micro vacuum cleaner kit. Once you do clean all of this, you may want to give it a little bit of oil. And to oil the machine, all you're really doing is putting a drop right here. So you'll have your little oil pin. And you just put a little drop of oil right on that little shaft. And that's it. So that's it when it comes to cleaning and oiling your new Bernina L850 or L890 using the vacuum cleaner attachment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for many, many more videos. All right, happy sewing.